Dawn breaks over Circle B. A serene silence blankets the landscape. The animals stir, greeting a brand new day. As a photographer, I remain vigilant, waiting for the perfect moment to capture. I snap the shutter, freezing time in its tracks. An alligator emerges from the underbrush, its scaly body gliding effortlessly across the trail. I zero in on its piercing eye, ensuring a razor-sharp focus that captures every detail. I nailed the shot, capturing the alligator's ancient gaze. These creatures fascinate me, and mysterious nature make them a photographer's dream subject. With the alligator shot safely in the bag, I move on to my next subject, eager to capture the beauty and wonder of the other wildlife that inhabits this unique ecosystem. The temperature soars as the sun climbs, casting a golden glow over the landscape. I thrive in this sweltering heat, knowing it brings the wildlife out of hiding and into my lens. Circle B's vast landscape offers a multitude of wonders beyond what this video can capture, but the atmosphere is serene and the land is a true haven for wildlife. As long as visitors respect the rules, they'll be rewarded with unforgettable close encounters with nature's beauty.